Namaste. His Excellency, Honorable Chief Justice of High Court of Sikkim, Justice Mr. Vishwanath Samadar, sir, distinguished guest of honor, Vice Chairman Sethu Ayog Joshi, sir, the other industry leaders from Indian Chamber of Commerce, Felix Hospital, the parents, the proud parents, media, and the future of the country, my students. First of all, it's an honor for every one of us here present to get the blessings of Lordship with His presence. Thank you so much, sir, for your precious time to Medhavi. We'll really feel proud with your presence here. I'm also grateful to our guest of honor for his precious time coming from Uttarakhand to attend this event and other industry leaders. When we planted Medhavi at 2012 in the national capital with my brother Mr. Pravesh Dudani with a novel vision to make our youth employable and industry ready. Our vision was कौशल से रोजगार तक जाना है और रोजगार से राष्ट्र निर्माण करना है. With that bright vision, we started Medhavi. And Medhavi is not an institution, it's a thought. जो पिछले 13 साल में हम लोगों ने नरिश किया. And today we stand tall, feel proud with all the national, international collaborations with industries, with governments, with international bodies, different state governments, central governments. And I just remember one great certification we had with the due permission of Lordship. I want to convey that. We got UGC, NCVT, DGT approvals, affiliations. That is okay. But 2 साल पहले I got a call that Lordship आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं. I jumped from my chair. कि मैंने क्या गलती कर दिया. Then I got the whole Medhavi family. I think we got the biggest recognition. Lordship said that I met your student at Hyatt Regency Kolkata doing OJT. At that time we had, I think, 11 students in the 4th sem, 3rd sem in Kolkata. So he said, आपके बच्चे अच्छा ट्रेनिंग करे, they are doing very good. So Lordship, thank you so much. We got that certification from you, and it's an honor for the whole Medhavi family that Chief Justice of High Court has recognized the training of Medhavi, that we are doing good. It means we are doing good. And in the year 2022, I made a promise to the parents and all the students of our first batch. That was our first batch, Lordship. I said कि जो पेरेंट्स ने हमारे ऊपर भरोसा किया, जो बच्चों ने हमारे ऊपर भरोसा किया, ये हमारा कमिटमेंट है कि 3 साल बाद हम आपसे पूछेंगे कि आप लोगों को कहाँ जॉब करना है, and we will try to develop the entrepreneurship culture inside you. और आज मैं इस स्टेज से बहुत प्राउड होके बोलता हूँ that we fulfilled our promise. The whole Medhavi family today is very proud to say 2022 बैच जो था, उस बैच ने with the due permission of Lordship, I want to convey the data. And everything is very crystal clear. We got 311 students in the first batch. In that, 122 were for diploma and 183 were for degree students. So in our diploma programs, 79 already got job in different parts of the country. 30 opted for higher education, means they took admission lateral entry in the 3rd year of graduation. And the remaining students, 20 students, some joined government job, some became entrepreneurs, and some refused to join. So that I committed कि आप लोग join नहीं करोगे, that is not our part. We'll give you the opportunity जो हमने दिया. And in the 183 students, I'm very proud to say all the students now, they're in the final stage of their graduation. In the hardly 20-25 days left. All have paid stunts, internship. And everyone will be surprised to know the stipend they are getting during their internship. In the Department of Management and Commerce, stipend they are getting up to 60,000 every month. In the healthcare, that segment, those who opted for government hospitals like STNM and other government hospitals, of course, they are not getting stipend. But the others, like the optometry students, they are getting up to 38,000 stipend per month. And Medhavi is known for hospitality and healthcare only. In hospitality, we had 23 students, the first batch. 19 of them already got job. They got their appointment letters. The very attractive package of 30 to 40,000 per month. And the remaining 4, they are joining this in next few days. So that is the example we have shown to the country that in this 1200 university, including all the private, deemed government, state government, central government, we set an example that university is not to issue the degree certificates only. We build career. Your future will show you the future. That is your call, whether you want to take the opportunity or not. And today we are so much equipped with all the equipments, or here the equipments is our industry connect, government connect, tie-ups, collaborations. We can give you the options. We'll give you the options. Which country you will choose after 3 years and during the program. And I'm very happy to inform everyone that we have in our overseas wing, we already have a foreign language cell. We have already launched German language, Japanese language. As my chancellor already said, that already our student has joined in Germany in Mercedes-Benz at a salary of 50 lakhs per annum. That shows the commitment of Team Medhavi to our youth. And in the coming years, let's not wait for a few years until next year. We are sending the BSc nurses, other from the automotive sector, from hospitality sector, to countries like Japan, Germany, Singapore, South Korea. And in next 15 days, we are going to sign with a institution from Singapore who will engage our students, especially in hospitality. So that kind of tie-ups we have developed over the years. And I'm really grateful. In fact, the whole Medhavi family is grateful. The support we got from different great personalities of the country, Lordship, from you, from other people who guided us, who supported us in our vision to make this country jumping from the 4th largest economy to the largest economy in the world. ये बच्चों आप लोगों को करना है. ये the future. And how many of you were interested to start your career in different developed countries, not getting stuck to Sikkim only? Just raise your hand. Very nice, very nice. It shows the fire inside you that you want to do something in your life. And Medhavi is with you, will show you the path, will guide you, will handhold you till you reach your destination. We are very proud to say this year, Lordship, we signed with the Sikkim Police with the support of DGP Akshay Sachdeva sir. And we got near about 32 admissions from Sikkim Police personnel, where we are giving scholarship up to 100%. The Defense Forces, as everyone can see in that video, we signed with all the 4 wings of our defense: Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, Indian Coast Guard, with the paramilitary forces, Assam Rifles, CRPF, Sashastra Seema Bal, and different police departments in different states. We got admission from the Defense Forces, words of Defense Forces, defense personnel. This year, we got 24 admissions, especially from Indian Army and Assam Rifles and CRPF. And that is our contribution to the growth of the nation. We are giving scholarship up to 100%, 50% to 100% scholarships. And my dear students, you will be very happy to know that we have a separate scholarship cell for you. Let me tell you, 33% of our students already got scholarship under different schemes of central government. Let it be especially for ST students, scheduled tribe students, scheduled caste students, Isan Uday, everyone knows. So we will do all the hand-holding. We have a separate cell for that. You will not be left कि आप लोग खुद ही form भरो, sign, submit करो. Not like that. We will guide you. And we are very proud to say we did all the follow-ups, and up to 1,05,000 of yearly scholarship the students got. Till now, 287 students got scholarship under different provisions of government. As my chancellor already mentioned regarding the holistic growth to make you ready to be a warrior for your next journey of your life. So here we'll do our best to groom you, to make you ready to fight. And I have strong belief with my team members, the bright team members who contributed from 2012 till now to make Medhabi as we are today. They will definitely groom you at that level. And the data I just mentioned, it will be repeated. So आज जो 2022 में मैंने पेरेंट्स को कमिट किया था, आज फिर मैं कमिट करता हूँ कि आपके बच्चे जब 3 साल बाद निकलेंगे, they will have many options. आप लोगों ने अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत सुना होगा कि बेरोजगारी है, नौकरी नहीं मिलती है. But we have proved that there are jobs if you have the right skills. In fact, there are more jobs than the skilled youth this country have now. तो एक सशक्त भारत बनाने के लिए आप लोग कंट्रीब्यूट करो, हम लोग कर रहे हैं. With the hands-on skill you will get in next 3 years, I know that will be the top choice of any industry. Let it be healthcare, hospitality, pharma, any sector, management, any sector. So, with that commitment, I don't have much to say because everyone is waiting to listen to Lordship. Just my final word is, आज यहाँ से जो मैंने कमिटमेंट किया है हम लोग पूरा करेंगे. लेकिन मेरे मेधावी फैमिली के लिए one big round of applause from the students. और माँ के आशीर्वाद के बिना कोई काम संभव नहीं है। सो आज हम सब भारत माँ के जयकारा करेंगे। तो मेरे साथ सब लोग बोलिए, भारत माता की। भूख लग गया लग रहा है सबको। भारत माता की।